Burdened by drought, these Mexican farmers have found themselves at the cutting edge of new technology. It's called solid rain, and it may be a last hope for their crops and their livelihoods, withered by the region's worst dry spell in 7 decades. With solid rain, farmer Eusebio Martinez says he can now put food on the table.
During this drought, we have seen that with this product, plants remain fertile and the fruit looks as if it had been constantly watered.
Solid rain is a powder which absorbs water on contact. Once mixed, it is poured into a hole before planting. The powder is highly absorbent, capable of holding up to 500 times its weight in water, which it retains in molecular form. When placed in the ground, the material slowly releases the water into the soil around the plant's roots. The brains behind the product belong to chemical engineer Sergio Rico. Rico believes solid rain could dramatically transform agriculture in Mexico by keeping plants flourishing for months, rain or shine.
With this technology, if it stops raining, the plant still grows. What is most important is that when the rain ends, we don't lose crops. There is a reserve of humidity in the roots that allows the plants to finish growing and to sprout up to 1 month after the rain. This is productive. It saves money and also enriches agricultural products grown in the country.
Rico says the final product is both efficient and safe for the environment. He says the material, made up of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and potassium, is not soluble in water and so can't be absorbed by plants. Water supply and availability reinforce Mexico's socio-economic barriers. But since 1 hectare of land could be kept thriving for just around $500, Rico says solid rain may go some way in addressing these divisions.
Lo hemos desarrollado como una cultura del agua. Aquellos lugares donde están muy pobres.
We have developed a water culture. Places are very poor because there's no water and farmers abandon the land. They don't have food mainly because they don't have enough water sources and it only rains sometimes.
Y a veces hasta de suficiente lluvia.
And with some 70% of Mexico crippled by drought, Rico hopes solid rain will help to make Mexico's farmers more self-reliant and successful. Tara Cleary, Reuters.